Okay, here we have a Lamborghini window motor that, where the original motor, we're having difficulty getting it rewound properly by professionals. So what we've done, underneath the original Lamborghini plastic housing, we have inserted a modern polarity reversing, well, modern, 1962 Ferrari Daytona. Close enough. It's still Italian-bred motor. Very good shape, completely rebuilt, lubricated, and interfaced through a motor plate here to the original Lamborghini transmission. Problem is, the original Lamborghini motor required a power plus signal to go up and a power plus signal to go down, with the body of the unit being grounded. That's a weaker motor system. This is a much stronger assembly. We now have a modern polarity reversing motor. This motor requires positive to one side and negative to the other, and to change the direction we have to swap those around, which is accomplished by these two relays right here using the original equipment rare Bosch switch. So what we've got here is a power supply supplying 12 volts down the line, positive and negative, to two clearly marked terminals. We have the power going into the central portion of the switch right here, and we have the negative ground to a ground lug that you'll simply screw to the inside of the door. This is going to use all the original, exactly the same wiring as you already have in the door. So with the power supply hooked to the center and a polarity revert, now this switch, without any modifications to the switch whatsoever, through this relay will reverse the polarity. This can be seen here right now as we have hooked up. We have both up rotation, down rotation on the motor. Much stronger motor than the original. Very quiet. All through these relays, which must be mounted in the door somewhere where there's room near to the motor. It works very well. Stronger than the original. Thank you for your attention.